Hi everyone! I prepared some food for myself, but I cannot eat it alone. I have to eat with the company, unfortunately. Wait, guys. No. Everybody's hungry. Oh, wrong lights. Hey. Be patient. Be patient. Wait. Hey. Come on, guys. I put the food down. Just ко мне, молодец. Who's doing the bullshit, huh? Wait. Let me try to put the phone better way. I think that way is better. Okay, I will take my plate up. Wolf. Wolf. Hungry birds that wants to eat my soup with me. In the soup we have only rice actually, chicken and egg. It's something like traditional Cyprus food. Avgo lemon is called. They're eating like crazy. They love it. Give me my spoon. Give me my spoon. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Ooh. Acrobatics. You see? There's a spoon here also. Hey! That's good I didn't make the shower yet. Guys, you have always the food in your cage. Why are you eating my food? Wolf. На. Ням-ням скажи. Ням-ням. Ням-ням. Ам-ням-ням-ням-ням-ням-ням. Ам-ням-ням-ням-ням-ням-ням. Wolf. Animal. You want also some soup? Daxi. Oh, you want to come up also? Hadi, come up. Hadi, come up. Ella. Come up. Ella. 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 Ella, bana. Ella. Hey, so like. Guys, I'm also full of soup by the end of the day. No, the chicken is my chicken is mine. Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken. You are like a chicken. What? You're a dog. You are a dog. Wolf. Somebody's coming down. Chicken is mine.